guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tour of our new condo. If you don't watch our vlog channel, then you probably have no idea what I'm talking about, but I will leave that video up here. Michael and I have always wanted to get a second home, a vacation home here in Florida, and this year was our year, so we finally did it. We're so excited about it, and we're actually here right now. So I wanted to do a little tour and walk you guys through the condo. We actually bought it before we ever saw it in person. We just saw videos and photos of it, but we knew that we really liked the layout, we liked the location, the views are really beautiful. It's right on a golf course, it's super nice. So we knew that we kind of liked the bones of it and we could just redo a couple things and make it totally our style. We also bought it fully furnished. That way we could come in and just like vacation here and slowly redo it and refurnish it on our own time, which has been really nice. So you guys will see it's not exactly our style at all. It's interesting furniture, you guys will see, but it's all clean and totally usable and fine for now. So basically our plan is to come throughout the summer and the fall on vacation, and then in the winter we'll come for like a longer period of time, maybe like 2 or 3 months, and kind of like live here during the winters. I think that'll be really fun. Of course, once Julian's in school, then we'll just come on his breaks and stuff like that. So this is gonna be the before tour. I do plan on making this a series and sharing with you guys as we update each room. So like when we do the master bathroom, I'll have a full video dedicated to that where you'll see the process of me picking out the new tile, vanity, cabinets, whatever, and then you'll see it being installed, the before and after in each episode. So I think it'll be really cool. This is episode 1. It's gonna be the before tour of the entire condo, where you see it basically when we walked in, how it was decorated, how it was laid out, the existing carpet, paint, everything. You'll see it all. So you walk in, we're on the 2nd floor, by the way, and there's just like a little screened porch. You can see down below, our garage is right there. Right there. Right there. And then you come up to the front door. Be ready because it's a mess. Hi, Kobe. Were you wondering where Mama went? I'm right here. Okay, so right when you walk in the entryway, you can see through the condo. Down that way is the living room, the patio, the master bedroom, and then to this side is an extra bedroom, but I'll go through everything. And over here is the kitchen. So we have all of her furniture here still. It's been a slow process trying to get rid of all of her stuff. She has so much stuff. So if you see piles here, it's just us trying to get her stuff out of here, either donate it or get rid of stuff that's not usable. Okay, so this is the little breakfast nook, and it goes into the kitchen. It has the tall ceilings throughout, which is really nice. You can kind of see this is all of her stuff still, like her dishes and her toaster and everything. But it's kind of a nice thing. We can come in here and we already have, you know, that kind of stuff, and we can slowly replace what we need to on our own time, which is really nice. So in here, obviously we'll get our own furniture, but what I'd like to do is switch out this tile for a porcelain tile, maybe like a wood look tile. I think would look really beautiful. I'd love to get some new blinds and maybe some trim around the windows, around the pantry. There's no trim in this house, so I'd like to do that too. Maybe do like some refacing of the cabinets with new knobs and new countertops as well. I think that'd be really pretty. Something I would really love to do, if it's in our budget, is turn this bar into an island so you can walk in around the sides, because right now you can only walk in right here. So I think it'd be really handy to be able to walk out towards the dinner table. But that's the kitchen. Okay, up here is the laundry room. On the floor is a bunch of Target bags. We just got back from Target. I'm gonna do a haul of everything we got over on the vlog channel. If you wanna see what I got, you can click up here and watch that. We're gonna do a massive Target haul. We got so many cute things. Okay, let's go into the extra bedroom. So here's what it looks like. And It's a really good sized bedroom. There's a window over here, a closet over here. So I don't plan on doing too much in this room besides getting new furniture and new blinds. Of course, if we do take the tile throughout, it'll go in here as well. But what I'd like to do is turn this into a bedroom where our guests could come and stay. So I'd like to get a queen bed or a king bed in here and get rid of the twin beds. I feel like it's great if you have, you know, obviously kids that sleep in beds. Julian still sleeps in his bassinet. But we have another place where kids could sleep, and I would like it if this was more of like an adult spare bedroom. You guys will see what I mean, but like we'll have our parents come and stay or friends, and I'd like them to have their own bedroom. So that's what this looks like. And then over here is the spare bedroom. Again, this is like a kid's bathroom, I mean, but we'll turn it into a regular bathroom, I guess you could say. So it's similar to the kitchen. It has that same white tile, the white cabinets, and the white tile shower. So eventually we'd love to do something in here, but it's obviously not the top of my priority. As long as it's clean and everything works, I'm perfectly fine with this for now. It's just a small little bathroom. Okay, back out through here. And this is the main living area. So here is the den, and this was one of the reasons why we really loved this condo. I'll back up so you guys can see. It's a really big room. I hate this whole situation with the cutout, but it's fine. It's not that big of a deal. Basically, with this den, what we plan on doing is getting rid of all of her furniture. Like I said, bringing that tile through here. And this could be our office, our filming room, and we could also have kids sleep in here. So this is a pull-out couch. We're gonna get our own eventually, but it will be nice to have a pull-out couch or a day bed in here where a kid could sleep, or Julian could sleep when he's older. Or if we have two kids, we could get twin beds in here, whatever. I just think it makes more sense to, like, kids don't care. They can just go to sleep, whatever. But I feel like adults would want some privacy if they're coming to stay with us. So I'd like them to be in the bedroom, and we could have the pull-out couch here. And then obviously if no one's staying with us, then Julian can stay in there. So it will work out perfect. So here's what it looks like. Definitely some interesting decor choices in here, but this will be a great area to just film in and just have some extra space. I got some really cute decor to do a little filming area right here. So if you guys want to see what I got, it'll be in that Target haul. Some really, really cute wallpaper and a desk and stuff, but it'll be in there. Okay, and then over here we have the dining area. So like I said, if we turn this into an island, I think it'd be so cool. And we could have it come out maybe a little bit more with a nice new countertop. This is linoleum, so we could get like granite or quartz or marble and get rid of those bar stools, get our own bar stools. But this is all great to have so far. So we don't plan on doing the renovations for a couple months. Look at Colby, he's just staring at me. He's so cute, but he was barking and I wanted to do this while he's not barking. Michael's sitting out there with him. But anyways, so this is our dining area. I'd love to get a big kind of like rustic dining table and a new fixture. I'm coming. Over here is just a closet, a little linen closet. Okay, Colby wanted to come in. So what I plan on doing in this room is getting a sectional, like a linen sectional, kind of similar to what we used to have in our old apartment, like that like linen-y, nice material. It's kind of just like easy to clean and it always looks nice. So it's kind of like beachy too. So I think that'd be really pretty in here. A big, nice like wooden, rustic coffee table too. I'll insert maybe some pictures of ideas that I have. And Michael picked out a really beautiful photo that he wants to get there and like matted. It'll be really cool. And then maybe we'll get a new fixture there too. I want to get rid of the entertainment center and just have the TV on the wall and maybe like a console table underneath. That's Julian's little bouncer. Did you get a new toy? Okay, and then over here is the patio. So the really nice thing about this is it's all open, so you can open the whole door and basically the whole wall is a window. The baby. Here's Juju in his tank top.
Big belly.
So it's just a nice patio out here. Here you can see the floor. We want to kind of bring this throughout, so it's really pretty. Okay, and right off the patio door is the master bedroom, which I know is a mess. Don't judge me. We have the pack and play set up there. Actually, this is really nice for travel because it's like a bassinet. And then underneath is like the pack and play for when he gets older. And then this sound machine is so good. He obviously doesn't sleep with it in there, but he loves it. Okay, so anyways, this is the bedroom. It's a pretty good size with a king bed. We would love to get new furniture in here as well eventually. And new blinds. These blinds are so old that that's like as far as they open, and it's such a beautiful view. I want to look outside. We've got, like, you can see the water out there and the golf course. It's really pretty, and it's like, it makes the house so bright and airy. And then over here we have Michael's closet. Just kind of like a basic closet. Maybe in a couple years, once I do all the other upgrades, I'll add in like some shelves in here or something, but it's just a closet. And then this side, my closet. Kind of a mess. So this is like some more stuff that she left. She left so much stuff, which there is good and bad too. My shoes, all my Eco Tools brushes. Okay, and then you walk into the bathroom. You don't mind me in my little workout clothes. And the bathroom is a mess, but I've been living in it. So here is the tour of the master bathroom. Pretty simple. Goes along with the rest of the house with the vanity, and the shower is just like white square tiles. Okay, so in here, I would like to get some sort of like porcelain tile in here as well that looks like marble. I think that'd be really pretty. Switch this out for subway tile, like long subway tile, and maybe a decorative floor in there. Get a new vanity. I've seen some really beautiful vanities at Home Depot actually, and on Wayfair too. Maybe do double sinks, so it'd be easier for us to both get ready at the same time. And some new fixtures, and maybe like frame the mirror. And I'd like to get a different shelf over here, maybe like an open wood shelf. I think it'd be really pretty. Obviously a different towel bar, but all of that is to come in the future. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little tour. I'll definitely be back soon with some updates and some after tours. I'm really excited about it. If you have any suggestions on furniture places I should look at, or tile places, or just anything like that that you think would be interesting for me, or if you have any ideas on what would look cool in this condo, let me know down below in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you're excited for the new series. And if you want to see kind of what we've been doing while we're here, you can check out our vlog channel. We vlog all the time, and you guys can kind of like follow along on the journey, and I'll see you over there. Bye.